How to run a successful giveaway on Instagram. Get followers fast and grow the engagement on your account. Hold a giveaway or competition. After the giveaway ends, people will instantly start unfollowing me. Do you still think so? Watch this video to the end to discover top techniques helping brands and influencers to establish long-term relationships through contests. According to these statistics, posts with many comments and likes will appear high in the feed, so that contests are a good way to put your brand forward. 3 things you should leave in the past. Overcomplicated rules. Asking for people tagging in photos. Asking to repost your content in the followers' feed. Successful example of Instagram giveaway to try. Cash giveaways by @Boohoo. Boohoo is an apparel store. 6.7 million followers on Instagram. In their recent giveaway, they offer £500 in cash for the winner. Giveaways ideas from Boohoo. They give cash prizes for users worldwide. They give vouchers to spend on their site. They give Boohoo dollars a winner can spend on shopping. The structure of the captions of these posts is similar. Here is an example of a typical giveaway copy by Boohoo. Copy this text in the description of this video. Contests take place 2 to 3 times a week. Post aesthetics is viral. Well-structured idea. Hack. Use the 𝐼𝐻𝐻𝐿 fonts generator to highlight essential info and headings. Go to 𝐼𝐻𝐻𝐿.com. Choose fonts generator. Type or paste the text you want to make look creative or outstanding. Choose the font you like. Click Copy. Paste the text in your Instagram caption. Let's look closely at the giveaway caption. It is very important to make it really clear. Heading: Announce that the contest is taking place in caps. Quick description: briefly describe the main idea of the giveaway. Heading plus rules: mark the contest rules with caps and use a numbered list to divide steps. Don't forget to add hashtags in the caption. Use dedicated hashtags when posting giveaways. They will help to improve discoverability and gain new followers. For finding excellent hashtags to your giveaway post, use the hashtag generator. Go to 𝐼𝐻𝐻𝐿.com. Choose hashtag generator. Type the keyword for your idea. Like, giveaway worldwide. Tap, generate. Tick appropriate hashtags. All of them will appear in the copy box. Click copy. Paste the hashtags in your Instagram caption.